What's your date of birth?
Write your name and date of birth here. Write your name of date birth here.
Her date of birth is on her ID card.
Where did you change trains?
I was at the station because I had to change trains. I was at the station because I had to change trains.
Yes, we heard his voice clearly.
In the video, we can see the person clearly.
Perhaps they were fixing the statue.
Perhaps he had something in his big pockets. My kids and I were leaving for the museum early.
Were you really leaving for Europe when I saw you? Were you really leaving for Europe when I saw you? You really leaving for Were you really leaving for Europe when I saw you? Europe. When I saw you.
He gave me a painting when he was leaving for Australia.
The old woman described the man we're looking for.
A neighbor described the car clearly.
Describe. Perhaps they wanted to look at the painting.
I was changing trains when I saw that guy in a long coat.
Write your name and date of birth here. Write your name and date of birth here.
Right, nobody left the room.
Right, we saw the painting in her car. Right. We saw the painting in her car.
Right, the museum was closed at 10 o'clock.
Right, Maxim was off that day. Off.
The salesperson in the gift shop was off. The salesperson. The salesperson in the gift shop was off. In the gift shop was off.
The manager was off on Saturday.
Sorry, today was a horrible day. A man in a horrible sweater wanted to see the old book.
What did she say when the bus stopped?
The green car stopped at the traffic light nearby.
I was only having a chat with a friend.
Our alarm is horrible, and it never works well.
The two strange women were having a chat.
We were having a chat in the gift shop when this happened.
I was going to open the door, but I left the keys at home.
He was going to fly to Hawaii, but he left his wallet here.
I had to take that bus, but it didn't stop.
Our alarm is horrible, and it never works well.